Hello everybody, welcome to today's vlog. We're starting today's vlog at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, yeah. We're starting a little bit late because today we're making some progress on the area behind me, this area around our pool. We just came from Home Desperate, we picked up all of our wood, and we'll finally have a little update for you guys on this area. I feel like it looks even worse on video.
Yeah, that's bad.
That does not look good. I mean, the days of it looking bad are numbered finally. Ooh, sorry, the audio is probably bad too. I forgot to put the mic on my phone. I'll give you guys a little update on what this is gonna be. So we ordered the composite, we're picking it up Thursday. It was between this one here and a darker one, which I don't know where it's gone. We went with a little bit of a darker one because even though the concrete looks like it's light over on this area, it's just because it's dirty. We just picked up all the strapping to do the wall because we're gonna be doing board and batten on this entire wall, and then a black soffit with some recessed lighting as well. And then finally this project will be getting wrapped up. Ugh, I already like it so much better without the patio door. It's time. It's the final moments of this pool area looking so awful. We picked up our composite, everything went well, and we'll walk you guys through the process of installing composite. Don't make fun of the way I say composite because some of you do. What are you feeling about today, honey?
Good. Get the composite down. Let's get started anyways. Finish tomorrow. Ready for the board and batten.
Here's the last ever shot that you're going to be seeing of the floor joists. Just a little reminder of what it's looked like for the last, while. Here it is, loaded up, ready to be installed. Here we go. Okay, so while Andrew works on prepping the area for the new deck, I'll tell you a little bit about the product we went with. So this one is by True North Decking. So it's a composite that it's an eco-friendly option to doing like pressure treated because it's made of 95% recycled material, and these boards are actually reversible. So if you damage the one side of it, you can actually flip it over and use the other side. You don't have to get a whole new board. And it's stain and rot resistant. It's made in Ontario, so it's a Canadian made product. And I think we went with the color Amazon Gray, but I'll put the information for it on the screen. And yeah, it's just a nicer option than doing pressure treated. Andrew's gonna give you guys a little rundown on how you can install this product.
So this specific composite product is capped on all 4 sides, which makes it reversible. So if one side has a slight defect or damage, you can simply flip it over. Most composites are not like that, which makes this kind of unique. So the ProPlug system is a system which enables you to use face screws through your boards, which can later be plugged with a matching composite plug. So you don't see any visible screws. Those are used for your trim boards where you have to screw through the deck. And you fill that with a plug later on.
So True North Deck, which is the company that we used for this, also has the slide and go fasteners. So these are the fasteners that you use to fasten your composite to the joist.
The deck boards are grooved on the sides. These simply slide in and you screw it from the top down, and they act as your spacer.
So that's what we've been doing here. So we attach the fastener, and it is the spacer in between the boards, and then you just screw them in, add your next board, screw them in, add your next board, and then you have a brand new deck in a matter of minutes. Good morning. It's all done. We worked well into the evening last night and we got it all finished except for, hold on, can you see? There you go. Except for along the house. We're actually short a couple deck boards, so we will be getting that today. And then we're one step closer to being able to enjoy this pool area.
Just in time for the fall.
Yeah. I'm just excited to be able to walk outside and not like feel like you're gonna break your ankle falling through the joist. But Ackley was pretty upset about the fact that we got rid of all the sand. He's loved laying in it for the last like 3 months, and now we just need to get some furniture for out here. But I actually saw on Facebook Marketplace a guy is selling a nice sectional that goes here with a dining table. So I wanted this area to be the seating area for dining. We're gonna be doing board and batten on that, so you won't see that. And board and batten all the way across here. And then I wanna do something fun in this middle area because I just think it would be a fun little seating area. Maybe even the loungers from up top, I was thinking we could bring them down here, which would be nice. And then over here will be the outdoor kitchen. I honestly don't know if we're gonna get to it this year with all the other expenses, and we're running out of time for the warm weather in Canada, but we'll see what happens. Today we have some more work to do. We're gonna be strapping the wall for the board and batten and get that done. Maybe this will be one big video. I don't quite know for sure, but we'll see. Look what just came! I'm so excited! It's our YouTube vlog. And the most exciting part. Da 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 da!
Wow, that's actually really cool.
What? That is so cool. I'll put it right in here. Somewhere in this space. It can go right here for now. So when everyone comes over, they have to look at it and give us a compliment. A mandatory compliment about our YouTube videos.
Make sure somebody has to always see.
If I put it in the living room, someone is bound to notice it and feed my ego. Good morning. It's day 3 of making progress on this area around our pool, and today is board and batten day. So we will be picking up the board and batten and taking you guys along with us to see the process and the install. All right, we're home again from the lumber yard. I fell asleep on the car ride home. Take a good look. It's about to look way less ugly. So the boards are on, and obviously the ceiling's not level, but the soffit is gonna come across.
Right where the laser is.
Right where the laser is, yeah. And then battens will go on and cover the gaps. It's kind of hard building off of a crooked house. Everything's a little crooked around here, so we always have to try and make everything as square as possible, but it's nice to see already kind of progress with how it's looking with the battens. And then obviously this will be painted, so this is just kind of the early stages of what it will actually look like. Ta-da! Just kidding, it's not done yet. But I think this is the perfect spot to end this vlog because it's getting a little lengthy and, you know, we need to have content to give you for our next video. It's giving Yellowstone. But it won't once we get this all stained. I'm thinking like an off-white or maybe like something that has kind of like bluish tones to it. I don't know. You guys can comment below to let us know what you guys think for a color for back here. But yeah, feedback's appreciated. If you guys have any color insight, yeah, if you have any other ideas, you can let us know, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.